This is header. Always has customer to ask me what is the difference of our ceramic furnace between the ceramic furnace in the market. Today I'm gonna use a video to show you the quality compare. Now let's see the edge detail. You can see here their cutting edge is roughly. We use the precision automatic machine to cut the edge, so it's more smooth. But for other company, you can see here he will cut the finger. It's dangerous and not good trimmer, not good. Now let's come to here to see another detail. That is the thickness. This one is more thick. This is heavy. Okay, the good AB glue, so we can have a good bonding. But in the market, they usually put AB glue that is not good for customer to use. Now let me show you the bonding test. You can see the difference, and it has bubble. We don't have bubble. Fast bonding. This is the quality compare. You can see detail. This is one and this one. You can compare the quality of bonding. So if you choose ours, you sure will get the high quality ceramic furnace. Only welcome you to send us inquiry. Thank you.